Eldoria's secret, the Golden Orb's power, and Prince Alaric's ultimate sacrifice to save his kingdom. The Forgotten Kingdom, Secrets of Eldoria's Golden Orb. Welcome, friends. Today we dive into the ancient legend of the Kingdom of Eldoria and its mystical Golden Orb, a source of life and prosperity for the kingdom. This story reveals a fascinating blend of ancient sacrifice, royal secrets, and the deep responsibility that came with guarding such a powerful artifact. Eldoria was an enchanted kingdom, hidden away in a remote valley, surrounded by mountains and dense forests. The kingdom was known for its natural beauty, but its true legacy lay in a powerful, glowing orb housed in the royal palace. The orb's energy kept the land fertile, the skies clear, and the people at peace. However, the orb held a hidden, dark secret: the legend of the orb. The Golden Orb was not just a symbol of prosperity, it was actually a prison for a dark entity known as the Shade. Centuries ago, the ancestors of Eldoria had bound the Shade within the orb to prevent it from unleashing chaos across the land. Over time, this story faded into legend, known only to the royal family, who guarded the orb carefully, passing down the secret through generations. The curiosity of Prince Alaric. Our story centers on a young prince named Alaric. Growing up, Alaric had heard the tales of the orb's power, but he was fascinated and wanted to understand its true nature. One night, curiosity overtook him, and he sneaked into the hidden chamber where the orb was kept. As he reached out and touched it, visions flooded his mind. He saw ancient battles, sorcerers casting spells, and a dark entity trapped within the orb. In that moment, he realized the truth. The orb was not only a source of life, but a delicate seal, keeping the Shade from escaping. However, Alaric's innocent touch had weakened this barrier, and a trace of the Shade's power had slipped through, bringing darkness upon Eldoria, signs of the curse. The very next day, strange phenomena started happening across the kingdom. The skies, once bright and clear, turned dark with mist. The crops withered, animals became restless, and fear spread among the people. King Thera and Alaric's father soon learned of what had happened and called upon the kingdom's oldest sage, Elior, to seek guidance. Elior's revelation and the price to restore peace. The wise Elior revealed that to restore the orb's power, a royal sacrifice was required. Alaric, filled with guilt, volunteered, understanding that only his life force could rebalance the orb's energy and bind the Shade once again. Elior prepared a sacred ritual by Eldoria's enchanted lake, where the orb's power was strongest. Alaric stood at the lake's edge, holding the orb, and whispered a final farewell. He then placed the orb in the lake's waters, letting his life essence flow into it. A brilliant light surged through Eldoria as Alaric's sacrifice restored the orb's strength. The dark mist lifted, and Eldoria returned to its former glory. Legacy of the Forgotten Prince. Though Eldoria flourished, Alaric's name faded into legend. Few remembered his bravery, but the story of the orb and the young prince who saved them all was passed down through the ages, whispered in tales of the Forgotten Kingdom. Friends, we hope you enjoyed this fascinating tale of the Kingdom of Eldoria and the secrets of the Golden Orb. It's a story that reminds us of the weight of responsibility and the sacrifices made for the greater good. If you liked this story, please like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Stay tuned for more ancient tales and mysteries. Thank you.